Witch hazel is a natural remedy made from the bark and leaves of a plant called hemorrhoids virginiana. Long used in traditional medicine, witch hazel is usually applied topically in order to treat certain skin conditions. Witch hazel contains tannins, a type of natural compound with astringent effects. By acting as an astringent, witch hazel helps to constrict skin tissue. Proponents claim with witch hazel can heal a wide range of skin troubles such as acne, bruises, burns, hemorrhoids, inflammation, insect bites, itching pain, and vericose veins. In addition, some people use witch hazel as a toner, a type of skincare product said to cleanse the skin and tighten pores. While some proponents recommend internal use of witch hazel for some conditions such as diarrhea, colds, and even cancer, there is no evidence that consuming witch hazel can enhance your health. Furthermore, oral intake of witch hazel may trigger a number of adverse effects. Witch hazel to treat hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are caused by the swelling and inflammation of the veins in your rectum and anus, resulting in symptoms such as itchiness and bleeding. Witch hazel is often used as a natural remedy to provide relief from the discomfort and pain caused by hemorrhoids. It's typically added to a cloth or cotton ball and applied directly to the affected area to soothe the skin. Tough research is limited. Witch hazel is believed to help treat the itching, redness, pain, and swelling associated with hemorrhoids due to its anti-inflammatory effects. What's more, it has hemostatic properties, meaning that it may stop bleeding caused by hemorrhoids. However, more studies in humans are needed to examine the effectiveness of witch hazel on hemorrhoids. Witch hazel for varicose veins. Witch hazel's calic acid content and natural essential oils help reduce the swelling and pain associated with varicose veins is straightening blood vessels and reducing the symptoms of varicose veins. To use it for varicose veins, soak a cotton ball in the solution. Apply the soaked cotton ball directly to the varicose veins 3 times per day for several weeks. Or for maximum relief, fill a warm tub about 100 Fahrenheit with 10 to 20 drops of solution. Soak your legs in the solution for at least 15 minutes. Witch hazel for diarrhea. In a preliminary trial using isolated tannins as part of drug therapy for Crohn's disease, researchers found the tannins to be more effective at reducing diarrhea than other conventional medication. Because of the plant's high tannins, it is possible that it can help treat diarrhea.